Changing the handing of the 900 lever handle trim is accomplished by simply flipping the gear and changing the spring. Please wear safety glasses and be aware of spring tension on the hub upon removal and assembly. First, remove the cotter pin. Remove the castle nut. Remove the washer. Carefully pull up on the round housing enough to push the spring down with a screwdriver to disengage it. Remove the round housing. Remove the spring. Remove the flat gear. Rotate the lever handle 180 degrees. Flip the flat gear and orient the stop on the opposite side of the stop post. This is the proper orientation for the gear for the red or blue spring. The red spring is used for a left-hand reverse. The blue spring is used for right-hand reverse. Install the blue spring. Orient the spring so that the long leg of the spring is facing down. Install the round housing with the gap side toward the lever. While applying downward pressure on the housing, wind the short lead of the spring toward the lever until the round housing snaps into place. Install the washer. Install the castle nut. Do not over-tighten. Install the cotter pin. The handing procedure is complete.